This tutorial will cover the basics of how to use AstroFabber to load a model, orient it, and prepare it for print. Please refer to the manual for more in-depth explanation on how to orient your models for best outcome. On the top left corner of the software, click on the folder logo, open, and choose your model file. The model files compatible with AstroFabber are either STL files or OBJ, object, files. In this tutorial, we are going to open our Astro Woman and slice it for print. When you open and import your model into AstroFabber, your model may not be oriented or sized properly to be printed. In this case, we would like to change the orientation of the model, scale it up, and add support. In AstroFabber, holding the left mouse click allows you to rotate the view. Please note that this rotation is only the view rotation and not the model rotation. Holding the right click will pan the view and the scroll wheel will zoom in and out. To rotate the model, click on the Rotate button on the left-hand menu. This will open the rotation control panel. Click on the Use the Facet as Ground option and choose the surface that you would like to be placed on the build platform. In most cases, the most flat surface should be chosen as the platform surface. However, a more in-depth explanation is provided in the user manual that should be followed for the best outcome. If desired, the next step is to scale our model up. Click on the Scale button in the left-hand side menu. This will open the scaling control panel. There are numerous ways to scale. You can either define one side dimension or using arrows click on percentage or simply type in a percentage number. We will be using a 200% scale. Next step is to rotate the model along the Z-axis so it faces towards us as it's printing. To do this, simply click on the Rotate button again, and this time click on either Z plus 90 or Z minus 90. Once you are satisfied with the orientation and scale of your model, it is time to add supports. We will be adding support to the model since some features may be unsupported. On the right-hand top corner of the software, click on the Support tab. All the settings are preset, and you would only need to adjust the support density and angles as desired and click on the Fill button. This will automatically generate supports. Once done, click on the tab next to the Support tab to enter the model space again. At this point, click on the Slice button on the left-hand side menu. Save the sliced file onto the USB flash drive. When done, click on the Preview button and you can have a preview of the slice layers. At this time, you are ready to connect the USB flash drive to the machine. Click on Print and choose the file you just saved onto the USB. When the USB is connected, you may need to wait 10 to 15 seconds for the machine to load the files.